Hey YouTube, it's Alex. I got this package in today from eBay, and it's from, and this guy gave me 2 extra packs that I see, that were free. So that was nice of him. Here's his name. Go check him out. He has some really cool stuff on his site. But if you're like a basketball, and football cards and like almost every other sport. So go check him out. Here's his name. I already kind of opened this. Let's see. Here's the 2 extra he gave me, baseball. These are like old, and then NFL. And here's the box that I bought. Hold on, let me get this cleared out. All these green things. Alright. Alright, here's so you get a better OPC 1993 baseball, 8 cards plus 1 insert card, and NFL Pro set. Yeah. And then here's the box that I ordered. I'm not really sure if this is a good box or not. It's my first time breaking it. 2009 Threads. I'll just open these ones first. I'll start with the baseball ones. These things are really stuck together. I don't really know who anybody is. Kelly Graver, Charlie Leinbert, Darren Dalton. I know who he is. I didn't know who anybody was in there. Super Bowl II. I don't even know what that is. Packers and the Raiders, I guess. Steve Brown, Johnson. Doug Flutie. I recognize his name. And this is like a... Oh, that's not bad. So I don't really know who they are though. Alright, I'll break this one now. Oh, by the way, this is box number... It won't focus. Box 30 though. 2009 Threads. Comes with 8 packs, 5 cards a pack. Empty. Let's get breaking. Calvin Johnson, rookie, Cartel Johnson, Brady Quinn, LT, Ryan Grant. All insert cards. Mark Wolger, insert James Drew, insert Michael Turner, Kellen Winslow Jr., Chad Pennington. Marcus Colston, Cedric Benson, Donovan McNabb, Dante Culpepper, Steven Jackson. Antonio Holmes, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Dwayne Bowe, Roddy White. All insert cards. Nothing big yet. Greg Olson, here's one. What does I say? Gridiron King, Steve Young. That's a pretty tough card to bend though. Like, alright. Reggie Bush, Chad Ochocinco, Willie Parker. Brian Westbrook, Carell Buckhalter, Hushmanzada, Greg Jennings, Derek Ward. Are you supposed to get like, how many are you supposed to get in here? Hold on. You're supposed to get like rookie class. Oh, this is numbered. It says the numbering goes up to 399 or less. Wait, it doesn't even make any sense. This Gartella Johnson's numbered 105 to 999. Alright, sorry. James Lewis, Matt Ryan, Lee Evans, Thomas Jones, Marion Barber. Another one of those spend the day with NFL player cards. Just take that one out now. Drew Brees. I want to get another rookie numbered card. Carson Palmer, Ben Roethlisberger, Frank Gore, and Steve Slayton. That's it. Alright. I want to say thank you again to SRD 6011. And then these three are lowercase. So thank you. If you see this, SRD, I just want to say thanks. Alright, bye.